Hello everyone, today I'm going to be upgrading this very cheap computer to something just a little bit more powerful, and then I'm going to overclock it and then try and sell it. Right now it's got a GT 710. I stripped the SSD from it because I needed it, and that's that. But yeah, I'm going to put in a 960 that I have laying around and a hard drive, and then try and overclock the CPU as much as possible. Maybe upgrade the RAM as well if I have any modules. So it's a very, very, very cheap computer. I got it for free as part of a deal. So I'm not complaining. At least this way I get to get rid of some of my old parts. But yeah, no idea what I'm going to do with this power supply or the GT710. I guess I can keep them. What else have we got to unplug here? I think that's literally it. Hopefully this should just... No, it doesn't want to come out. Oh, I do not want to come out. All that through there. I hope the sound quality ain't too bad. I'm just using my phone to record these videos for now. Okie dokie. Put you through, hopefully. Let me adjust my camera. Why does this not want to come out? Am I being stupid? How the hell? Why? This should just come out. Why is this not coming out? Is there nothing? Oh, shit. Well, there we go. That fixed that problem. Hold on. Right, I'll be right back. This is a very fun video. Right. Oh, bloody hell, my camera's doing all the weird things. I found this. So it's a 6-pin to 8-pin. Don't know if it'll work, but we'll find out. And if it blows up, then we overcome that. But I also found a better, aka less cable power supply, so we can say goodbye to this bloody monstrosity. Get that out of my sight. Okay, so I'm guessing all we literally do is wham, bam, shang. Right, that's in. CPU power and software power and everything power. That's the PCIe. No idea what that one is. CPU, that's you. I'll find Tangle U. Yes, it's just a cheap, very cheap pre-built. And I still don't get the obsession with pre-built. Obviously, if you've got any technical skills, I don't have technical skills at all. Looking for a computer. But like this person I bought off, it's just about £200 and the GT710s. It's just awful. There's absolutely nothing good about it. It's literally just a display. I'm going to keep it just so I can troubleshoot. Is that like that? No, upside down. What? That don't fit. Okay, I was waiting for the first one for a second. Okay, now I remember there's no legs behind, so this is looking horrible. I have to definitely manage this. But I was bad camera angle. It's very hard to do. Come on, come through it. Oh, let's see the camera. There we go. Right. Where's those? Brain fart. There we go. What the fuck? PWM? I don't know what this is, but I can try. Does it fit? No. Yeah, it's a PWM. For the fans. Right, that should stop quite nicely. But yeah, the blue drive is absolutely horrible. Right. How long is this video so far? 13 minutes, that's what that does. Right, okay, let's put you behind you. But also, I don't think it's the I can't remember. Only 8 gigs. Only 8 gigs. That's abysmal. Abysmal. That's so bad. So bad. So I feel very, very sorry when I bought this because she did not get a good deal. At all. Right, plug that in. Put it in the hard drive. I have no idea. That looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let me know what we can do here about cables. The best thing. Let's take you out. And I guess we take the side on that under as well. I don't think there's enough space, so I'm quite worried. Here. Oh, I don't know what's going on now. Oh my god, what's going on? That is right. Come on, really go. Come on. There we go. Oh gosh. Okay, right, that is an absolute mess. This is fun. Right. Now slide you and go. There we go. Right, that looks way better. Absolutely amazing. Now, let's plug in the hard drive. Well, make it sit nicely. I swear to God, this hard drive, the reason I picked it is because it was a small one. Because I don't have the time or patience to try and install a big one. Yee. Oh, bloody hell. Anyway, right. Let's try and boot it up and see if it works. Sorry for my messy room. There's no excuse for a messy room. HDMI. Oh, has it turned on already? Okay, it has. That's weird. Is the GPU on? Oh, it isn't. Oh. Yeah, I'm going on a limb here, so this isn't working. Right. Okie doke. What shall we try next, gang? No idea. I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll come back if I've got something. Right, I've taken off the CPU cooler and the CPU is literally freezing cold. So I wonder if it's getting any power and this power supply is actually dead. Should be annoying. So that turns on. Back. Can't tell if that's getting hot or not. But I don't get what could not be working. According to ChatGPT, they're on the same thing. Yes, I use ChatGPT because I like ChatGPT. Okay, let's look at this. So that's fine. Oh, sorry. That's fine. And it plugs in absolutely fine. Let's give it a proper good push that in all the way. And the CPU one, again, looks fine. Push that in all the way. Turns on automatically. To be fair, if it is a dead CPU, I couldn't give a shit. Alright, I'll be back when I've got it fixed. Update, guys, it's the next day. The PC was working, but I think everything about it is failing because I changed. So first of all, I stripped it all down and it wasn't working at all. And then I changed some parts and it was working. And then I added some more RAM in, wasn't working. And then some people came over and thought, I'll just do it tomorrow. And just couldn't be asked. So I turned it all off, took everything out, and did it again this morning as a completely fresh build, or like a fresh build. And it worked, brilliant. So I installed all Windows and stuff. And then the hard drive was like really slow. And I've got another hard drive in there. Because it's a bit newer, it's still used. But I thought, oh, so like 4 years newer, maybe it'll be a bit better. Wasn't. So basically, I got everything done, and I overclocked everything, thought it was all tickety-boo, and then tried to open up MSI Afterburner again to tweak something, wouldn't open. And I was like, okay. Then I did a Windows install, that went smoothly, and then tried to open it up again, MSI Afterburner, and wouldn't open. I was like, oh, okay. So I tried to reinstall it, and it wouldn't work. So, oh, okay, then what's going on here? And then it just started turning off automatically, not posting at all. And I've just disconnected the drive to see if that makes a difference. Nothing. So I'm guessing I'm going to upload this video anyway because I'm just a baller. But I'm just going to have to buy a SSD and plug it in and see if that will help. Because obviously the hard drive is failing. So pretty much just wasted my whole day. So yeah, brilliant. Well, thanks for watching anyway. But yeah, I'll make another video soon probably. No idea what it will be. That's the joy of life, innit? You never know what you're going to get.